Oh, finally made it. I'm here. It's fucking awesome. Look at that. Like 3 hours since I watched for ice. It's all snowy in the winter. It looks fucking amazing. Look at the view. It's like the top one. The whole Songin National Park. Up, taking those fan stairs. I've been walking uphill for 3 hours now. This is what I get. This is amazing. Completely worth it. Look at that. The helipad in. Almost there. Two more minutes. I'll be up top. Yeah. God. Final. There's Lambo right there. We made it, bro.
야, 대박이지? 갑자기 뒤에서 풍선같이 나타났어.
Final few steps. Oh my God, look at that view. God, it's so windy up here. Whew. This is awesome. Oh, let's not get distracted now. Yeah. Oh shit, this is it. I'll give you a little view from here. Look at that, just look at it. Oh God. I've been a lot of hikings in Korea, but this is so far the best one. To the other side. Yeah, I can read it. It's in Korean, but how you feel?
Good.
Whew.